First look, 2026 Lamborghini Urus. Based on sales data and automotive market trends in the United States through April 2026, the Lamborghini Urus remains the best-selling model. Specifically, the current market-dominating model is the Lamborghini Urus SE, a plug-in hybrid PHEV version that recently replaced the discontinued all-gasoline models Urus S and Performante. Here are some reasons why the Urus continues to lead sales in the S-Cologne SUV dominance. Since its launch, the Urus has accounted for more than half of Lamborghini's total global sales. In the United States, Lamborghini's largest market, the practicality of this luxury SUV has made it significantly more marketable than two-door supercars. Hybrid transition. The 2026 Urus SE model offers more power, 789 horsepower, thanks to the combination of a twin-turbo V8 engine and an electric motor, which is highly appealing to US consumers seeking high performance while still following the electrification trend.